What's going on, guys? In today's video, the Q50 gets a Rev 9 Axleback exhaust and also does its first burnout. While the Civic was busy getting its new brake setup, I figured I'd put the tires to good use before mounting up new ones. With that out of the way, the exhaust install is pretty straightforward. Other than I accidentally cranked the exhaust nuts the wrong way and destroyed its threads. So out came the angle grinder and we were back on track. With the exhaust off, I figured I might as well see how it would sound with a muffler delete. It actually isn't that bad. One tricky part about this setup is getting the muffler tips to align with each other and have it centered in the bumper cutouts. I got it as close as I could, but it's not completely perfect. Here's a clip of the stock muffler. And here's the new Rev 9 Axleback. This is what the car sounds like driving around. Overall, the Rev 9 Axleback exhaust is a great way to add some extra grunt to a stock Q50. It's definitely a lot tamer than the setup I have on the Civic, but I kind of like it like that, for now. My favorite part about this exhaust so far is the way it sounds during downshifts. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I should have another video out on this car shortly, so stay tuned and I'll see you guys on the next one.